Hello, I am currently I'm so glad that there's basically no people out on the streets because I'm holding this camera like a crazy person. But I'm currently on my way to my first cycling class. It's Saturday, so nobody's out on the streets yet. And I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie. I'm kind of scared. I've never done cycling, and I know that it's very intense, and I haven't done like a high intensity workout or running or anything in quite a while, so we'll see how this goes. Hello, my workout class this morning was really good, better than I expected, less hard than I expected. And then I went to the market with my mom and I made a really nice lunch. And now I'm gonna go to the hairdresser because I need to get my personality back. I need to get my hair shorter again. And it's a very pretty fall day. Such a nice day out today again. Beautiful fall day. And as you can see, I got my hair cut. I love it. Whenever my hair is this length, I just feel so much better. And yeah, I didn't end up filming a lot yesterday because I kind of forgot, but yeah. And I kind of had to hurry because my mom and I went to this music performance. I got new skincare products. I went to this like Korean skincare store in Berlin that I randomly found, and I got like 2 new skincare products, and I think it really makes my skin very glowy. I love it. Well, the music performance was very nice. I don't know what the instrument was called, but it was Japanese and the location was super pretty, and the woman who played the instrument was so sweet. And they also had food there. You had like included in the price was like a vegan meal, which was cool. And now I am on my way to the flea market because it's Sunday in Berlin. Sunday in Berlin is flea market day. I'm going to the RW Flohmarkt, if you're from Berlin and you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm meeting with Leonie. I'm very excited. Also, I just painted my nails. I wanted to paint my nails yesterday, and I wanted it to be this color, so I went on a hunt in my apartment for nail polish this color, and I found one, but it was really bad. Like, it was so sticky and weird, and it just made my nails very weird, and it felt super gross. So then I got a new nail polish yesterday. I bought a new one and I just painted them, and I'm very happy because I really wanted to paint my nails with color. unnecessary. Okay, du musst uns mal ein Rating von dem Pumpkin Spice geben.
Ich würde sagen 8,5.
Das ist solide.
Weil die sind sehr süß, sind sehr viel Zucker, aber man schmeckt so die Pumpkin Spice richtig raus.
Geil.
Ja, und die Sahne ist gut.
We love. Ich glaube, mein Cappuccino ist sogar eine 9. Ist eine 9, ja.
Wirklich?
Ja.
Obwohl der Decaf ist.
Also schmeckt genau wie normaler Cappuccino.
Ich habe gedacht, das ist noch nie ein Cappuccino.
Ich glaube, ich habe generell noch nie irgendwas Decaf bestellt. Aber there's a first for every. Ich weiß gar nicht, wie ich das essen soll. Also hier ist, glaube ich, so ein Fließ, was.
Zeig mal her. Das sieht gut aus.
Ich glaube, es wird einfach fett Zuckerguss hier gleich.
Okay. Are you ready? Sind gut? Okay, das wäre auch lustig, wenn es jetzt ein Fail gewesen wäre.
Sehr geil.
Ist die Creme auch gut oder ist sie mega süß? Schmeckt man den Matcha raus?
Ja.
Geil.
Sehr, sehr delicious. Ist auch gleich mal. Breakfast is served. Today it's not super ugly and not very aesthetic either, but it's acceptable. And then I also have a green tea with orange. Alrighty, we're back with another fall salad. This is gonna seem like I eat salads every day for lunch, but that's actually not the case. But I do like salads a lot. Anyways, this has arugula. Once again, a yellow beet. This is also gonna seem like I eat this every day. I don't. I love yellow beet, but I don't have it that much. Just apparently when I'm filming. It's roasted and fresh yellow beet. And then also roasted carrots, some sun-dried tomatoes because I have to use them up and they were very expensive. And then some bell pepper, tempeh, figs, some hummus, balsamic drizzle. I probably forgot something. Maybe I'll still put some pumpkin seeds. I think I'm still gonna put pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds on there. Today is my first day of uni. Exciting. I actually didn't think I would be doing uni this semester because I was actually gonna go to Tokyo, but we don't talk about that. But I'm excited for uni. I am actually looking forward to it a lot. So I had this like online Zoom introduction meeting. Since it was a Zoom meeting and a one-time thing, I did it at home. So in the morning I did Pilates, breakfast, then had this meeting. Now I'm at lunch and I'm gonna eat that, and then I still have a little bit of time here, and then I'm gonna head to uni for my first lecture of the semester and my only lecture of today. I think it's from 3 to 5, and then I'll head back home. And today is a super rainy day. I don't know, I kind of like the vibes. I was gonna say I don't know how I feel about it because yesterday was such a nice day. It was like 24 degrees Celsius, like basically summer again. I was wearing shorts and a t-shirt, and it was so beautiful because it looked like fall, like all the leaves are yellow and red, but it was so warm, and I just was walking around the whole day. In general, yesterday was such a cute day. I spent it with my dad. So today is like a very different weather situation. And for being here, cooking, having my Zoom meeting, listening to All Too Well, it's a great vibe. But once I'm gonna go outside, I'm probably not gonna be so excited about the rain. So now let's have some lunch. Let's see how it is. That's one loaded salad. All the ingredients are so delicious. It's, I love. And the tempeh, I love tempeh, but it's so expensive, so I don't have it that much. But like tempeh is so delicious. And it was actually on sale at the organic supermarket, so obviously I bought some. But yeah, now I'm gonna enjoy this delicious salad. I am now on my way to uni. I'm not very happy with my outfit. I wanted to have like a cool one for my first day, and now I am not happy with it, but whatever. Yeah, here's the outfit. You can't really see it. It's not that bad, but it could have been better. My post-uni matcha. I was looking forward to this all the way home.